Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a team member from your Teachable account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different admins or assistants or VAs, and sometimes they decide to go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Teachable account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove an admin, here on the left side, you're going to click on users. Once you do that, you're going to get all the students you have. However, to remove an admin, look for this drop-down menu here and click on admins. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the admins and team members you have on your account. You can see I just have this one right here. So there's a few different ways you can go ahead and delete them. The first and easiest way is just click the box next to their name. Once you do that, you'll see this red delete button here on the top. Alternatively, you can easily click on the three dots next to their name, and you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you can click on delete. Okay, once you click on delete, the page refreshes, and that person is automatically deleted, so they no longer have access to my Teachable school. Just keep in mind, they're not going to give you a pop-up asking for you to confirm you're going to delete. They would be deleted. So they don't have access unless I come back in here and add them as an admin once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin from your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.